So we were talking about keyframe translations. So basically, let's break down the word keyframe, right? So there is a key, that is a waypoint, and there is a translation, that is a waypoint transformation. So basically, it's a CSS rule, okay? You know CSS, right? For HTML, for every HTML, there is a CSS. Otherwise, the website looks like a railway station website. So, keyframe animation. So, keyframe animation is a sequence of CSS and transitions. So, I'll show you the code. I'll tell you how it works. First, there is one at the red. The syntax goes like at the red keyframe slide in, right? Then translate point 2. So basically, as we were talking about the hovering effect or any kind of effect, the basic of keyframe animation is basically CSS waypoint, right? The syntax goes like at the red keyframe slide 1, translate 1 image 0%, and then the translation endpoint is 100%. So in the next video, I'll show you the code that I did, and sorry, in the next clip, I'll show you the code that I did, and of course, I did not learn it all by myself. You know, everyone uses AI to learn. Yeah, but that's how the basic of CSS translation is done. Yeah, I have a semi receding hairline, and yeah, I look like my age. What's the big deal? So, keyframe translation, move, transform one point to the next point. So, the code goes like the working code. Any code from internet and AI is not working. You have to find out if it's working or not. This is a mistake new coders do. So all codes don't work. AI hallucinates too. You have to practically implement it and see if it works or not. So I'll take the clips and I'll show the results as well. Okay. So tag along. So this is, so forget about the whole code, okay? The topic of discussion is keyframe move from transform translate negative 100 px negative 50 px to 100 px 50 px, okay? So basically it's a game of pixels. Every image in a computer is a game of pixel, and this is a framework code, okay? So I'll show you the result that I made today. I already hosted it on Vercel, so I will just click on the link and see the transformation. It is just increasing the size, okay? So yeah, that is the most basic of keyframe translation, and this is how sorry yeah, I was confirming the topics before you know uh, teaching or saying it at public, but this is from my GitHub. This is the topic keyframe move from transform translate negative 500 px. See, the image was very, wait, the image was very was small. It kind of expands the hemispheres, you get it? And then it's 100 px 50 px, okay? All is inside the keyframes move, okay? So yeah, that's the topic for today. I'll come back and I will teach the I'll talk about the hovering part in the next clip. Okay, bye bye. Bye.